Hey everybody, welcome back to Drive It Out. I am at the one and only SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is one of my favorite places to be in the whole world because you can see so many amazing things. But look what I've got here behind me. We're in the Nissan booth right now. You know what this is. This is the new Nissan Z Nismo version. It's actually tucked in here below a new GTR, which is awesome. And they're both the same color scheme and looking really cool. This is somebody's dream garage right here. I'm liking this lift, but I really wanted to talk about this Nismo Z. Now, this recently was released. This is different than your standard Z, right? So they've added horsepower, yes, and they've retuned the turbo and the suspension is different to stiffen it up and all those things, but you definitely can see right off the bat the change in the styling. And that is a major focal point because that is actually really contributes to the increase in horsepower. Yes, the turbo spins a little bit faster, but the increased cooling coming into the car is actually really what helps get that bump in horsepower. So about 20 more horsepower than the Z, but it puts the power to the ground a lot better than the regular Z. But I love the way they've done these red accents here, and I love what they've done with that front fascia because it harkens back, I think, to the past while making it look really unique and modern, and they've done a really good job. The Nissan Z is a very good looking car. If you are someone shopping for a sports car, I find it hard to honestly find another coupe, a sports coupe, that has a better shape and cleaner lines than the Nissan Z, and it's really, really sharp in this color with these red accents. But again, you're gonna get here, you've got unique wheels and tires here, really sticky tires, Dunlops for this Nismo, but you've got those big brakes. So you've got much bigger brakes. There are 4 piston brakes there in the front. But I love how they kept the black roof line here, really sets off the side of the car, and then you've got this silver line right here that you can also get on the regular Z, and this thing is really looking sharp. It's a little understated, but it looks really good. Let me show you guys the inside really quick. So if you're getting inside the Nismo Z, the first thing that you're gonna notice if you're looking in there is this is an automatic, excuse me, and that is the only transmission option for this. There is no manual for the Nismo Z. This car was about track times. It was about getting that power to the ground the most efficient way and getting those times down. But I tell you what, it's at 9-speed automatic transmission, and they've tuned it specific for the Nismo. It's make this thing drive really clean and get around that track in a very efficient way. And I love what they've done with those seats. They've got the Nismo seats insignia on the headrest with the red in the middle and the red stitching. It's looking really, really sharp. So I want to know what you guys think of the Nismo Z compared to the regular Z. Are you happy with the styling changes? You know, the front definitely is different, but what do you think about it only being offered in an automatic transmission? I know there are a lot of people who really wish the manual was offered in this, but I think if you drove it, you would definitely appreciate what they have done here. That 9-speed automatic transmission is going to be smooth, it's going to be crisp, and again, I'm a big fan of the Z car. Really beautiful sport coupe shape, fastback, just really digging this. Had to show it to you guys here at the SEMA Show. I'm loving Nissan's booth, what they've done here. And again, I can imagine having a lift like this in my garage and having the GTR up top and the Z below. I don't know if you could beat that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Had to show you this one here at the SEMA Show. Nissan has done a really good job in their booth this year, and we love the Z here at Drive It Out. So check out our other videos here from the show. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next review.